Hi buddies, it's me, Titi. Today we are going to make our own homemade paints. Wow, this is such a cool art project that you can do with materials that you probably already have in your own kitchen. What are we waiting for? Let's begin. I have 7 little bowls here, each with their own spoon, because I'm going to mix up 7 different colors of paint today. The first ingredient that we need is flour. 1 tablespoon of flour for each color of paint that you're going to mix up. Next up, let's take some salt and do 1 tablespoon of salt for each color. And moving right along, let's take some liquid dish soap. I recommend using clear dish soap if you have that on hand, because if you use colored dish soap, it may affect the color of your paints. Let's put 1 tablespoon in each of our little bowls. The flour and the salt help hold the color together, and the dish soap helps make the paint runny so that it'll glide over the paper. Doing great so far. Let's take some water now and put 2 tablespoons in each of our little bowls. Terrific! And now for the final ingredient, food coloring. Let's put 3 to 5 drops of each color in the little bowls. I'm going to have 7 colors, so I have 7 different colors of food coloring here. And now to stir the colors together to finalize our paint. As you stir it, you'll notice the paint will start to thicken up. If your paint looks a little too runny, feel free to add a pinch more flour. Or if it comes across as a little bit too thick, then you can add a little bit more water too. These are some really beautiful paint colors. They turned out so nice and vibrant. I think it's time to test it with a painting project of our own. Today, I'm going to paint a rainbow because I think that will be a great way to showcase all the beautiful colors we've created. So to start, I'll take my paintbrush and I'll go into the red. Now I'm going to do orange next. And next comes yellow, of course. This yellow is so bright, I love it. And now for some green. And how about some nice bright blue? And now for some indigo. Indigo is basically a dark blue. And last but not least, the purple. Well, check out our beautiful rainbow artwork. I'd say this turned out terrific. I hope you enjoy making your own paints at home. I certainly had a wonderful time making them today. I'll see you guys again soon. And happy creating!